I'm Heather Pace from Sweetly Raw, and today I'm sharing 3 great salad dressings that I know you're gonna love. These are 3 of my favorites, and they're delicious, they're easy to make, and they're super healthy. Personally, I like to stay away from store-bought dressings because a lot of the time they're filled with bad oils, sugar, and or other fillers. So it's just easier to make them at home, and they're just so delicious and nice and fresh. So I'm gonna be starting with an avocado Caesar dressing, a creamy red pepper hemp dressing, and a green goddess dressing. They are really good, and I hope you guys love them too. All the ingredients and the full recipes are gonna be down below in the description box. First up, I'm making creamy avocado Caesar dressing. I've got avocado, garlic, you can add extra if you want, organic olive oil. This is from Fiapolis, and it's made using hand-picked olives from Tunisia. This is really, really good quality olive oil. What you should know is that a lot of olive oils are actually cut with cheaper oils, so they're not very good quality. This one is really good, it's my favorite. Got some freshly ground black pepper, Himalayan salt, nutritional yeast, a small date. Now I've been soaking this in water only because it was a little bit on the dry side. Some water, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice. I'm simply gonna add all my ingredients into the blender. Looking good. Looking nice and creamy. And now you can adjust the water to thin it out or keep it a little bit on the thicker side. And the other thing to note is that it will thicken a bit as it sits in the fridge. Now, the secret to tasting salad dressings when you make them is actually to take a piece of lettuce and dip it in, because if you just take it off the spoon, it's gonna be really strong, and it should be really strong because that flavor is gonna be watered down by the lettuce and whatever else is in your salad. So just do a little dunk like this. And then you can decide if you want to add more garlic, more salt, more pepper, a little more acid in there. I think it's really, really yummy though. For my creamy red pepper hemp dressing, I have more extra virgin olive oil, fresh red pepper, hemp seeds, apple cider vinegar, sun-dried tomatoes that have been soaking in water, and you want to make sure to save the water. I'll be adding that as well. Some Himalayan salt, and a date. Now I've soaked this one just because it was a little bit firm. If yours is soft, you don't have to worry about soaking it. And that's it. And once again, I'm just adding everything into my blender. Let's blend it up. For my green goddess dressing, I have tahini, that's the base. Water. Now the amount of water you use will depend on the thickness of your tahini. I have some fresh parsley here and dill. You can do other herbs of your choice such as cilantro or basil, garlic, lemon juice, Himalayan salt, apple cider vinegar, and more extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to start by adding all but my herbs into the blender. This is important. Blend it all up. So once the base is smooth, I'm going to add in my fresh herbs, and I'm just going to pulse them in until there's still some texture there, but they're not fully blended into the dressing. So you're just going to go on a low speed. There we have it. So you can see that there's still some texture in here. The herbs are broken down, but it's not completely combined. I kind of like this look, but you can go ahead and blend it until it's super smooth if you want. Somebody help me. This is so damn good. I can eat it by the spoonful, seriously. Actually, I could eat all 3 of these by the spoonful. They are that good. Wow. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. Give them a try and let me know what you think. Be sure to connect with me on my blog, sweetlyraw.com, for hundreds of healthy recipes, and on Instagram, sweetlyraw. I will see you again next time. Bye-bye. Excuse me while I eat my dressing. Oh my gosh. Stop, Heather, stop.